If you're getting ready for a move and wondering whether to hire help, you're in the right spot. Moving doesn't have to mean doing everything yourself, and getting professional support can make a big difference. First, think about what kind of help you need. Maybe you want full-service movers who pack, load, transport, and unpack everything for you. Or maybe you're okay handling most of it yourself and only need labor to lift heavy furniture, load the truck, or drive your belongings. Choosing the right level of help means less stress on moving day. Second, make sure you're clear on what you're hiring for. Ask the mover or helper about their services, what's included in the price, and whether there are extra fees for stairs, long carries, or after-hours work. Get a written estimate so you know what to expect and avoid surprises. Next, check credentials. Even if you're only getting partial help, you'll want a company or helper who shows up on time, has good reviews, knows how to secure your items safely, and has insurance. Reliable help equals less chance of damage and more peace of mind. Then, set a schedule and let your hired help be part of the plan. Tell them your timeline, what rooms you'll need help with first, where items should go in your new home, and any special instructions, fragile items, electronics, etc. That way the day flows smoothly rather than feeling chaotic. Finally, be ready before help arrives. Sort and label your boxes, clear walkways, unplug appliances, and keep essentials like chargers, snacks, or pet supplies in a bag you'll carry yourself. The more prepared you are, the better the extra help can focus on doing their job well. Hiring help doesn't mean losing control. It means being smart and making your move easier. You'll still be in charge of your move, just not doing it all alone. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.